How to enable developer mode on Chromebook. The first things first is you'll just have to locate or define the build number of the Chromebook that you're using. To do so, there are two ways on getting that. The very easy way is just go to your Windows icon from the Chromebook and type in build number. Now, once you have located a build number, you can just simply tap 5 times on the OS version of the build number that you have so that it will activate the developer mode. Now, a second thing that you can do is just heading directly to your Chromebook settings. Now from your Chromebook settings, you'll just again delocate your build number. It's gonna be on about device, and from there you'll be able to see your build number. And then under system, you can also look for the build number from there. You can also do a search from here on your Chromebook setting. Simply type in build number. And again, just tap 5 times on your OS version, specifically from the build number, and it will automatically activate or enable activate your developer mode. So that's how you enable or activate developer mode on Chromebook.